No bad energy can clog my mind. Not today, don't have the time. Too many bad days, let's celebrate life. We don't live twice. Everybody get on your feet. Move your body, let the beat control you. Raise your hands like your soul is free. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Hello everybody, I'm aggravated because I was trying to record this for I don't know how long now. My computer was getting on my nerves, the SD card was getting on my nerves, everything was getting on my nerves. Alright, so remember when I was like, the clip when I made the mosquito candle deleted? Well, I found it. So this is me pouring all of the herbs that I mixed together into the candle. The candle is in the pot right here. It's sitting on top of another pot boiling, doing like the boiling method. If you don't know what I mean, no funny. I was going to say Google it, but I can just tell you. It's basically I put a pot of water on the stove, put a bigger pot on top of that pot, put the candle in that pot and turn the stove on to let the steam from the bottom pot hit the top pot to let the candle melt. Boom. Science. There you go. So I'm doing that, right? The candle was already melted all the way. Now I'm just mixing it in and I'm stirring it and I'm just going to let it dry. And this is how I made the candle the first time with no wicks and nothing. It was just burning because of the herbs. But this time I did put wicks in the candles, which I do recommend. But if you do want a big like bonfire type thing or whatever, if you don't care, then don't. But you know, regular candles have wicks in it. Yeah. If you notice I didn't put any wicks in the candle from last time, it's because I did it. Yeah. I don't know what happened. But hey, so here we are making another candle. I cut up the herbs that I used from last time, and I'm just cutting it this time so it can be more fine. And yeah, it won't stick out and be so big and bulky. So this is how it looks now. I do have a smaller candle this time. This is the candle that I'm using. It's warming up on the stove, so yeah. When I get to mixing and everything, I'll come to the camera and show you. Until then, stay blessed. Look at me trying to show and tell, spilling the shit.
Baby, I be home by next week. I give you my heart, don't feel me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah. History be down when it's over. I didn't hear you saw me love. I'm gonna live up for the moment. When you fucking me, I make you say.
There's food on the stove, but don't worry about that. Just pay attention. So I got the little candle on the stove, and it's already melted. I'm going to see if I can pour it into this candle because, as you can see, it's all black burnt inside. There's nothing in there. So I'm going to pour the small candle wax into the big candle wax and mix it together. I should have put a wick in there first, but I didn't. Hey, you live and you learn. Mind you, this is a candle that I made last minute because the mosquitoes are getting on my nerves. I mean, getting on my everlasting nerves. So I didn't really care to put a wick in it. I was just going to light it. I just need the mosquitoes to go away right then and there. So, yeah. I'm going to redo it later. Don't mind the way you see it's not on for real. I just have it on. But yeah, oh you little, what else is the one? Okay, so I'm making pancakes. Not doing nothing special. Well, yes I am doing something. I'm trying not to get any pancake mix on my clothes because I want to record some videos for my Instagram and TikTok. I need to take myself seriously and post on my music page. But I need to eat first, you know. This is probably TMI, but you know, I'm getting closer. I don't know if it's because of my anxiety or what it is, but I will clench my body. And the first body part I will clench is my glutes. Yes, I will clench my glutes. And I will just be standing there like tight. Then I notice that I'm clenching them. And I just stop clenching them. I don't know why. I've been doing that ever since I was a little girl. And I don't recall watching anybody doing that. And yeah, and it's like, girl, please stop doing that. I was just doing it just now. That's why I had to like stop and say it, because I feel like if I say it, stop clenching, I will break that habit. So if I start saying stop clenching, no matter where I'm at or who I'm around, if I'm talking to somebody, and they ask me, what do you mean? I'm gonna tell them, because you need to learn how to stop doing that. And if you gotta embarrass yourself or say it out loud to whoever in order for you to register to stop doing that shit, that's what you're gonna do. Because you gotta stop doing that shit. It's very uncomfortable after a while. I don't know why I do it like it's comfortable. It's low-key not. It's very uncomfortable. I don't know. I guess it's like a soothing feeling, I guess. I don't know. We listen and we don't judge. I was just doing it just now, but only on my left cheek a little bit. I started to clench a little bit and then I stopped myself. See, I think it's gonna work. I think it's working because I didn't fully clench. I started to, then I stopped. I was like, oh. And I was like, I wasn't gonna say it out loud. I was like, no, you gotta say it out loud because that's what made you stop this time. And you just told yourself to stop doing that shit. You guys, look what he's doing. The jelly, peanut butter and jelly. I'm not saying it's crazy, but good morning, you guys. Today's Sunday. It's 9:26 in the morning, and I'm finally finishing the candles. I have beeswax, and I also have candle wicks. And for more of a strong, bug resistant, we're gonna put a dash of this in there because I'm tired of these motherfuckers thinking that they slick. No, all y'all motherfuckers gonna die, or either stay away from me. So right now I have to literally scoop all this up because it's hard. I need to take this up so I can remelt it. Whoa, 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 whoa. You get the gist. You guys, look what I just found. Look, it's me and my dad. Aren't we cute? I miss Twin just a little lighter. I miss him so much. And then here's another picture that I keep in my other wallet. Well, it's in the same part, but this is in my smaller wallet. I have another one of these in my purse, and I have more of these in California. Definitely gonna come in handy right now.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely, just lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't rap, they don't care, would you still love me? you still love me. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumptions. Feeling like Tyson with it.
I'm gonna scoop this out. I'll be back. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I decided to do is I'm just going to melt this on the stove, and then I'm gonna pour it out because it's too much work to get it out of here and then figure out how I'm gonna melt it in that little jar and then to pour it in here. I feel like that would take too long because this is bigger than that. Well, I had more than 3 candles, but one of the candles broke, like the glass, so we're only working with this and this. But we're gonna make it work. I might do another way. I ain't gonna hold you because I need another container to pour this in. Okay, so boom, I found my old can opener and I used it to flip it, like to scoop it, and this just flipped up. So boom. This is what it looks like. All on the table, right? Yeah. Now I just need to get a little bit out of here. Melt some down. Put it at the end of the wick. And then stick it in the candle. One moment again. Okay, so boom. Okay, I think I figured something out. Got the candle, the wax warmer that we have. It had a little bit of candle wax in here, and now it is melted. So I have an idea. I think I'm just gonna put the candle wax in here and then just let it melt over time. And then pour it into the jars. Now, that's gonna take a long time, but I'd rather it take a long time and I can do it than me using 5,000 other things to make it quick. You know what I'm saying? I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy is different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Okay, I just came up with a better idea. Just into the plate, warm it up, right? Pour that into the candle. You feel me? You feel me? Hopefully that works. Got a Ziploc bag, some beeswax. I was outside, but the camera was getting foggy. And as soon as I came back inside, lens cleared. So obviously I can't take it outside. So I wanted to show you guys. This is the small candle. And this is, oh, it's a little dark. You can see, this is the bigger candle. Does it look appealing to the eye? I would say yes, it is Halloween time. So you know what, it does look a little scary. And I feel like it fits the theme. But I am gonna cut the width. Yeah, first we're gonna light the small one, and then tonight we're gonna light the big one. But I'm gonna keep the camera inside. Oh, I've been here so fly, fly. Okay, so here I am just looking at the candle, and if you know me, you know I do not have a strong nose, so I was starting to smell it, and it was smelling really, really, really good. So here's my man, he was starting to smell it too, and we were just enjoying it because I was very proud of myself that it was smelling very good. It was smelling like so good. We stopped the middle of our conversation just to smell it. The cinnamon, and it gave it a good fall smell. If you guys do want to try to make this candle out yourself, I do recommend it. Just be careful, be safe. It does work. I love to light the candle every time I'm outside or whatever because it does smell good and it does keep the mosquitoes and bugs away. So you can enjoy your time without getting bit up outside. So this pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching. To get exclusive content, to stay behind the scenes, check out the description box down below so you can stay updated on my other platforms. I love and appreciate everyone who's streaming and who's watching. Thank you. Love, hugs, and kisses. Mwah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, this the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
Subscribe, please, and thank you. It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya. For Niyeahya.